Part 2 of building a UV mushroom. The base. I prepped the base, which is a side table, by saran wrapping it. And I did that in another video, but I didn't get it here. I next cut a bunch of plaster strips into small pieces so they look like this. And I used this plaster from another project. I started off by dipping them in some water and smoothing them out here on the table. And you can see here that I did sort of like a crisscross pattern. Now, I was an elementary art teacher and we did plaster masks, so I was definitely feeling that there. Here's how I would do it. I dip the plaster in, sort of smooth it out, getting the water away, and fit it in a spot. I'd smooth it over once I placed it so it could adhere to the other pieces. And I continued doing that until I covered the entire table, which took a long time. And when I was finished, it looked something like this. I waited for about 24 hours until it was dry and actually drove it back home so I could spray paint it outside. I only did like one layer, which seemed to do the trick. It was a nice day in March and I wanted to make sure I had plenty of ventilation, no breathing that air. It ended up looking like this, and I brought it back to be installed with the mushroom cap. And here it is. And I thought it looked pretty great. None of this was glued down, but we were able to sandwich the caterpillar onto the mushroom so it looked larger than life. It was awesome. Here's my partner in crime, and hopefully the gala goes great. Thanks for watching.